Hey, what's up, Vechain coin holders? This time you can see here, my friend, on the live screen chart. You can see here the Vechain trading. You see 2-2.09%. The price is urgently fails down in last 3 days, my friend. I can't expect this, but if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days, so this time you can see they were completely on the profit. 10.44%, my friend. Continuously day by day they will moving upward and never fails down, but urgently, my friend, in last 3 days you can see here they were fails down. So what's the big reason, my friend? In upcoming time the huge pump is coming soon or the huge dump is coming soon. So let's start a brand video, but please, if you are new my channel, I will tell you to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. My friends, which in price were fails down for a short time, not for a long time. Temporary fails, don't worry, my friends. After that, I am 100% sure they will get again profit now. So therefore, if we check out in the last 24-hour chart, so in last 24 hours they were fails down, but in last 12 hours, my friends, they will again recover it and they will again get a profit. So therefore, I tell you, my friends, to don't worry if they were fails down for a short time. So this is does not mean to you are starting selling. Absolutely, my friends, they will temporarily fails down, and after that, I am 100% sure to the very huge explosion. Absolutely is coming soon. So please, my friends, you know why I tell you to the very huge explosion is coming soon. This is not a fake views. I just remember make a and I just advise you. I cannot make any financial video. My friends, in upcoming time the huge explosion is coming because my whether at the end of month every coin will get a very good profit, and absolutely the price is very fastly increasing. So therefore I will tell you, I will advise you to please, if you want to get a profit in very short time, you will need to hold and invest more and more. I hope they will give you a very good profit. See you next time, holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.